How to add and trim clips in CapCut Desktop on your Mac or Windows. So if you want to add and trim clips in your CapCut Desktop, then first you need to open up your CapCut application, go with Create Project option. Once you click on the Create Project, then it might take some time to create a project timeline. Once you have this kind of interface, now you need to go with Import, which is on the upper left, to add your videos. So go with Import and select the videos or images that you would like to import. For example, I'll be choosing a video, go with Open, and here you will have your video, right? You can simply drag and drop that to the bottom, or you can simply go with the plus option to add to your timeline. Or if you want to add another video, then again go with Import, and again go with the folder in which you have the video, go with Open, and it will be added, and again go with the plus option, and it will be added. So once it's added on the bottom or on the timeline, now to trim the clips, what you need to do is just click anywhere or any part of the video that you would like to trim. So for example, I don't want the part from here. I don't want this right side part. So you just need to simply click on the video and place your cursor to the exact same place from where you don't want the video and go with split. Once you've split the video in two parts, now you just need to simply select the part that you don't want. And once you've selected, you need to go with delete and that part will be deleted. So that's how you can add and trim clips in your CapCut Desktop on your Mac or your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.